Welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can repost videos on your Instagram stories. Suppose you like a video and you wanna add this video to your Instagram stories. So don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the exact process how you can do that. So watch this video till the very end. First of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. To check it, open your Play Store, then tap on search box and type Instagram and check your Instagram app update is available or not. If your Instagram app update is available, then update your Instagram app, then open it. After opening your Instagram app, then you have to select a video that you wanna repost on your Instagram stories. For example, I like this video and I wanna add this video to my Instagram stories. Under this video, you'll see three options here. One is love, second is comment, and third is share. So you have to tap on this share icon. So tap on here, and after that you'll see a option called add reel to your story. So tap on here, and it will take some times. And here you can see that this video has added to my Instagram stories. So after that, all you need to do is just tap on this arrow icon and then tap on share. Has added to my Instagram story. So let's check this out. So here, as you can see, that video has been added to my Instagram stories. By following this simple process, you can add any Instagram videos to your Instagram story. So I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.